Garmin Golf App, Scorecard explanation. This video is going to explain how to read the scorecards in Garmin Golf App. Scoring and handicap. On a scorecard, the number here is the score for each hole. If there's no additional marks, it means a par. If there is a square around the score, it means a bogey. If a double square is around the score, it means a double bogey or higher. If a circle is around the score, it means a birdie. If a double circle is around the score, it means an eagle, double eagle, albatross, or a hole-in-one. If there is a dot below the score, it represents a handicap of 1 stroke taken. If there are 2 dots below the score, it represents a handicap of 2 strokes taken. Total score. This number is the total strokes for the round. This represents the strokes over, under, or equal to par for the round. This represents the par for the front, back 9. This represents the actual stroke for the front, back 9. Ball placement. This is the fairway in regulation. The number in front is the total drives that landed on the fairway within regulation. The number behind is the number of fairway hits available. Par 3 holes do not count fairway hits. This is the green in regulation, which means your ball makes it to the green in 2 strokes under par. For par 4 hole, this means that your ball made it to the green in 2 strokes or less. This is the number of putts taken during the round. Course information. This is the hole number. And this is the par for the hole. That was all about the meanings of every number on the scorecard. Thanks for watching.